Hi, I'm Kevin Harrington, an original shark from Shark Tank. With solutions for almost any kind of hair loss, Lordhair is a life changer for so many.
I desperately wanted to do something about losing my hair, but didn't know where to start. Then I found Lordhair. With dozens of ready-to-wear bases to choose from, I selected the model and hair color that best suits me. Delivered right to my door, Lordhair made this process so easy. I went to a local salon to have it attached, cut, and styled. Handmade with soft human hair that's carefully knotted to the base, these hair systems are ultra-natural and comfortable. I can't get over what a difference it makes. Plus, I can still do my everyday activities wearing one. Lordhair gave me my happiness and confidence back. My only regret is not finding them sooner. With individual customer service reps for each customer, Lordhair offers a truly personalized experience. Get your Lordhair system today and receive free shipping plus $50 off with promo code HairWeGo at lordhair.com.